Did you know your body carries a hidden repair system so advanced it can cleanse damaged cells, sharpen metabolism, slow aging, and even help defend against diseases like cancer, all without a single pill? In this video, we uncover the daily habits inspired by 5 extraordinary Japanese scientists whose research has quietly reshaped what we know about health, longevity, and the body's self-healing potential. It begins with Nobel Prize winning biologist Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi, whose discovery of autophagy revealed that our cells are constantly recycling, repairing, and rebuilding themselves. This cellular deep cleaning mode switches on when the body is under the right conditions, especially fasting, and it may be one of the most overlooked keys to living longer and staying healthier. His findings opened the door for scientists like Dr. Takayuki Teruya, whose metabolic studies show that fasting does much more than burn fat. It triggers a surge of protective compounds, boosts antioxidant activity, and awakens dormant repair pathways linked to longevity. According to his research, the simple act of giving your body a break from eating can flip powerful metabolic switches that rejuvenate cells from within. Then there's Dr. Shigeki Hinohara, the legendary Japanese physician who lived to 105 and became famous for his lifestyle philosophy: eat lightly, stay curious, and never stop moving. His lifelong habit, stopping meals at 80% fullness, avoiding sugar and processed foods, and keeping the body active mirrored the very principles that support autophagy and prevent metabolic overload. From here, we dive into the teachings of Dr. Yumi Ishihara, personal physician to Japan's Prime Minister. He promotes a modified fasting approach, a light liquid breakfast, long fasting windows, and 1 solid meal per day. His method helps the body slip naturally into repair mode while still receiving essential nutrients. Carrot and apple juices, black tea with ginger, and simple whole foods play a central role in nourishing the body without overwhelming it. Finally, we explore the groundbreaking work of Dr. Hiromi Shinya, the world-renowned gastroenterologist whose enzyme-focused diet emphasizes fresh vegetables, fruits, seaweed, fermented foods, and minimal meat. His Shinya Little Fast, eating early dinners and delaying breakfast, extends the fasting window and gives the digestive system time to rest, regenerate, and support autophagy. He also stresses proper hydration and antioxidant-rich drinks like Japanese green tea. Across all their research, one message is unmistakable. The way we eat, the timing of our meals, and the quality of our food directly influence the body's built-in healing mechanisms. Intermittent fasting, stopping meals at 80% fullness. Plant-based traditional Japanese foods, avoiding processed sugars and refined carbohydrates, staying hydrated and active. These simple yet powerful habits unlock the body's natural ability to cleanse, repair, and rebuild, a biological reset button that modern lifestyles often silence. By embracing these principles, you could activate autophagy, restore balance to your metabolism, and allow your body to do what it was designed to do: heal itself from the inside out.